Here we have the current stock market update for Mullen Automotive Incorporated, stock ticker MULN. Before we begin with today's chart analysis, if you find these educational materials to be helpful in your trading, please remember to click the like and subscribe buttons and leave your thoughts in the comment section below so that other traders can find this information more easily on the platform. So here we have the stock that has really become infamous on this website. There is a lot of loss activity that has occurred here, and this does follow a period of optimism or positive trading recommendation that came from several social media influencers, especially on this platform. There were several people. Several channels that were really heavily recommending this stock at much higher levels. And when we're analyzing this stock currently, we really have to move down to very short-term time frames in order to get that done. What we're currently looking at here is a 3-minute price chart. And just quickly, I will go over some quick support and resistance levels here. So roughly to the downside, what we're looking at here is about $2.30 to the downside. It's a little bit lower than that. And then we do have this sort of downtrend momentum reading that is showing price highs at 265, as well as roughly 270. So not a huge difference here, but this is because we're looking at such a short-term time frame. And I'll show right now why exactly we need to do that. So if we just sort of move out on the price chart here at all, things start to flatline here very quickly. Like this becomes a ridiculous stock to look at very, very quickly. If we just sort of move out to this is the hourly chart. I mean, this is what it looks like. I mean, it might look like I'm making a joke here, but the stock is just completely flatlining here. I mean, this is just a horrendous situation. And there were so many people on this platform that were saying that this was the next big thing. This was the next big stock. The stock was going to $50. The stock was going to $100. And if we just keep moving back on the price chart here, it's just the same thing. I mean, we've been watching flatline activity here for quite a while now. I mean, it really started to occur probably toward the end of 2022. So we're looking at several years now of just terrible price action. And then if we go back a bit, we can see the time when, most of these YouTube people were recommending that this stock should be purchased. So I'm really curious to hear about how other people found out about this stock. I mean, in prior comments, someone said that Business Dad is the person that is the way that they found out about this stock. They watched the quote Business Dad channel, and that was about 99.5% ago. So that stock, after that recommendation was made, the stock lost, I believe it's 99.6%, and it's probably worse at this point because the stock just continues to move lower. And we'll move back down to those shorter term timeframes here, so that we can actually see what the stock actually looks like right now. We're trading at the lows, right at the bottom. I mean, this just continues to get worse, and over and over again, we just see. Reverse stock splits, shareholder dilution. I mean, this company is just doing everything it possibly can to make the situation worse. And it's very obvious in the price chart itself. I mean, that gives you all the information you need to know. All information is contained in market prices. If there was any reason to be optimistic on this stock, you would see it in share prices. Why is that? It's because the market is smarter than you are. The market is smarter than I am. The market is smarter than all of us put together. It's way smarter. It's not even close. It's not even, it's not even close. No person is as smart as the market, because all information is contained in share prices. All information is not contained in your head. It's not contained in my head either. Not even close. So, all we need to do here is look at the smarter organism here, which is the price chart. And this tells us a very clear story. This is just nothing but downside. And it's really, really interesting to see that the stock is still trading. It's amazing that the stock is still active. I find it very hard to believe that more hasn't happened here, because there has just been so much shareholder loss that was completely unnecessary, did not need to occur. But this is what happens on this platform, and this is why we have opened the members section of the channel, because we have profitable trade strategies that are released every single week. New stock trades, new stocks, new entry points, new profit targets, new stop loss levels. The trades are regularly updated. People that are in this trade or fell victim to this trade can consider taking a look at the member section of the channel, because none of our trades look like this. We would never get into something that looks like this. I mean, this is a horror show. This is the worst horror movie I've ever seen in my life. I don't watch horror movies. I just look at scary stock charts. And believe me, my friends, this is a scary stock chart. This is terrifying. This is going to give me nightmares tonight. Okay, and I don't even know if I'm joking. So, as it currently stands here, we have seen a little bit of a bounce. I'm sure that some social media people have now said that, now it's time to buy this stock. But, we have to really pay attention to what's going on here longer term. And anybody that feels strongly about this stock, I really do suggest that you click the share button. In the beginning of the video, I asked for people to click the like and subscribe button, but I think I've changed my mind here. Maybe it's more important to actually click the share button, because I think that it's important for this type of information to get out there. And if anybody really, really believes that, that some wrongdoing has gone on here, have investors been taken advantage of? Was this a legitimate stock trade to begin with? Should the quote unquote financial YouTubers that recommend this stock, I mean, should they be allowed to continue to do that? Because, the thing is, YouTube will ban people like for saying the wrong word or something like that. Like you insult somebody or something, you use the wrong word, they're more than happy to ban you. But what about if somebody causes you to lose huge amounts of money? Isn't that worse? I mean, personally, I would rather be verbally insulted. I would rather somebody call me a name than somebody trick me into a situation where I lose a huge amount of money. Which one is worse? I mean, let's be real, YouTube. Maybe I'm actually saying this to YouTube at this point. Which is worse, YouTube? Like, is calling somebody a bad word, is that really as bad as causing someone to lose their life savings? I mean, these things aren't even comparable. And somehow, channels like Business Dad are able to continue. And there are a lot of them. I don't mean to just single him out specifically, although he was a major problem with this. But there were others. It wasn't just him. So I don't want to just single him out. He's part of the problem. He's not the complete problem. So YouTube really should be paying attention to situations like this. And I do suggest that people share this video through other social media platforms. It's very easy to do that. There's a button that just says share under the video, and then it lets you choose the social media platform that you want to use. So please remember to do that. Here's the current market update from Mullen Automotive, stock ticker MULN. Our high value trading strategies membership is currently available for a limited time for only $9.99 per month. These high conviction investment strategies are characterized by superior risk to reward metrics that target massive market beating returns over time. Join now to outperform the market, lock in this special introductory rate of just $9.99 per month for the entire lifetime of your membership, and start trading stocks with the pros.